In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Revolut Android smartphone app. So if you are having a challenge with your app and it can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve that problem. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to settings and then tap on it to open. Now from here, look for apps and then manage apps. And then this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. And then scroll down until you get to our Revolut mobile app. And here is our app. Tap on it to open. And what we're interested in is this page called App Info. Alternatively, you can get there by simply long pressing on the app and then tap on App Information, and it will still lead you to the same page. Now from here, if we tap on Storage, you can see that we have cache data that has accumulated on this app. What we want to do is to clear this cache data, and we can do it by tapping on this clear data button, which is here. If we tap on it, we have clear cache option, which is here. Go ahead and tap on clear cache and tap on OK. So go ahead and restart your smartphone, and then try opening your app and it should be okay. But in case this didn't solve your problem, then you may want to go and take the next step, and this is going to Play Store. Then search for your app and then open the app. Then check for any update if it is available. Should you find any update, then go ahead and update your app to the latest version. Then try opening your app, and this should solve any problem or any challenge that you had with your Revolut mobile app. But should you still experience any problem, then you may want to go ahead and uninstall this app and install it afresh on your device. And you can still do that through Play Store. At this moment, everything should be okay. But should you still experience any problem, then you may want to contact Revolut to find out if they are having any challenge from their end. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.